Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you like quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance hauls, thrift store flips, rescue puppies, then you're in the right place. Hi, Dougal says hello. So today's video is going to be a fun one. I want to show you guys all the new fall and harvest items hitting the shelves at the Dollar Tree. Yes, Dougal's super excited about this. So that way you guys can make your list, check it twice, and hopefully your Dollar Tree will be nice and get these items in so you can find them for yourself for you to use for decorating and for crafting. As always, if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give your girl a thumbs up. It really helps me out and it's completely free. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Come join my YouTube family. I'm only 25 subscribers away from 400, and then I can do my big 400 subscriber giveaway to one of you lucky fabulous people. Also, if you'd like to share this video with others that might enjoy my channel, I'd really appreciate it. I want to also thank you guys for coming back and joining me today and welcome all my new subscribers. I'm thankful that you're here and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. Comment down below, let me know what items you're looking for and you hope you will find at your local Dollar Tree from today's video. And I hope you guys enjoy, and here we go.